Welcome to France, a country renowned for its rich history, diverse landscapes, and vibrant culture. Let's explore its geography. France boasts a total land area of approximately 551,695 square kilometers, making it the largest country in the European Union. From the majestic Alps in the east to the rolling hills of Provence in the south, its landscape is as diverse as it is beautiful. Home to over 67 million people, France is the second most populous country in Europe. Its capital city, Paris, is not only the political and cultural center but also one of the most visited cities in the world. Positioned in Western Europe, France shares borders with several countries, including Belgium, Luxembourg, Germany, Switzerland, Italy, Spain, and Monaco. Its extensive coastline along the Atlantic Ocean and the Mediterranean Sea adds to its strategic importance and scenic beauty. With its diverse geography and rich heritage, France continues to captivate visitors from around the globe. Join us next time as we delve deeper into this fascinating country.